Okay guys, this is one of the problems that we're given on another section of Delta Math. These are questions based on tables. So we'll read this question, we'll talk through this. So it says Violet was given a gift card. So that's the first key that we need to understand for a coffee shop. Each morning, Violet uses the card to buy 1 cup of coffee. The amount remaining on the card after buying X cups, that's important where X represents cups. So any table we get, they'll tell you what the variable represents. So in this case, when we work this problem out here in a sec, I would put the word cups above X. And then it says after buying X cups of coffee is given by the function a of X. Select the value from the linear function a of X are shown in the table below. Determine the amount of each cup of coffee cost. So again, a couple key things to understand. We're given a gift card. So if you think about a gift card, you start with a total amount of money, and each time you use the gift card, what happens to the amount of money? It goes down. So that's what's happening in the table. She buys 8 cups of coffee. She now has $14 left. She's bought 12 cups of coffee. She has $6 left. She's bought 14 cups of coffee. She now has $2 left. So from that table, we can identify whatever they're asking for. That's why it's going down in this column. And then you can see it says after buying X cups of coffee, the amount of money remaining on the card. So if X represents coffee, A of X represents the amount of money remaining on the card. So that's how much I would put up here above A of X is money left. Something easy like that to remember. But again, here's what they want to know. Determine the amount of each cup of coffee costs. So for 1 cup of coffee, how much is that costing her? So we're going to figure out the rate of change or the slope. Okay, so here is our table. Again, A of X, I want to get rid of that right away and make that Y. That's so much easier for us to remember. And X represents cups. Oh, that's terrible handwriting. Cups of coffee. Yikes, that's really bad. And then Y, which is A of X, represents money left on card. So again, she's bought 8 cups of coffee. She has $14 left. 12, 6, 14, 2. So from there, we're going to figure out the slope. So from here, 14 to 6, that's a minus 8. From 8 to 12, that's a plus 4. Okay. So from there, I know, again, we don't have our word wall for slope. Slope represents the change in Y over the change in X. So from here, I would make that a negative 8 over 4. And then from there, I can reduce that, and that would become then negative 2 over 1, which is just negative 2. So my slope is negative 2. It's going to make sense when I put the 1 underneath. Here's the reason why. The question again was, let's go back to our question right here, is determine the amount each cup of coffee costs. So our slope tells us that for 1 cup of coffee, that is costing us $2. The reason it's negative, if it costs $2, the gift card total goes down. So that's why it's negative. So your answer would be, again, for how much each cup of coffee costs, the answer is $2. Hope that helps you out. Be seeing another table video out shortly.